Hi guys, welcome back to the Karebear channel. Today we are going to review 3 tacos from Taco Bell, all $1 each. Alright, so Taco Bell released 3 new tacos, all $1 each. I can't wait to review these for you guys. So the first one is called a Nacho Crunch Double Stacked Taco. It has beef, cheese, lettuce, cheese sauce, and red strips. Now the second one is a Chipotle Cheddar. It has everything that the first one does, but it does have Chipotle sauce, so it might be a little spicy. And the third one might be more spicy, so we'll see. This is called the Pepper Ranch. It has Reaper Ranch sauce instead of the Chipotle sauce. And so this one might be a lot spicy. So guys, this is a perfect video for you to watch if you don't like spicy or you like mildly spicy, because I will let you know how spicy these are. Because as most of you know, I don't like a lot of spicy food, but I can tolerate mildly spicy. But if it's medium or hot, really hot, I just don't like it. All right, now first we're gonna try the Nacho Double Crunch Taco. Flour tortilla, crunchy shell in between. We have some nice nacho cheese sauce right there on both sides. So let's try it out, guys. Cheers. Good, not spicy. Nice crunch. Now, out of the 3 tacos, this is the only taco that does not have any sauce. It has a cheese sauce between here, but it doesn't have the sauce like right here. The other ones has Chipotle and the Pepper Ranch. So I did get some mild sauce, so I'm gonna try that. So I got some mild sauce. I think it needs a little bit of sauce or something. So I'm gonna try that out. All right, let's try it out. A little bit of sauce to add some flavor. But I still think for $1, this is a really good deal. Now I've been noticing that I think the crunchy shell is broken, but it's okay because I have a flour tortilla, and it's okay. Yeah, I think it's a lot better with the sauce. There's a good amount of cheese sauce in there. I don't know if you can, there's a lot of cheese sauce there. It's really good. The cheese sauce is coming out. So if you guys like cheese, I would recommend it. Nice crunch. It's really good. All right, last bite. Yeah. So for that taco, I would give it 4 out of 5. It's pretty good. Great value, great value. It's really filling with the taco shell and the flour tortilla. Nice crunch going on. The only thing is it didn't have like sauce, like really saucy. So I did have to add mild sauce to make it more saucy. But otherwise, it was pretty good. All right, now we're gonna try the Chipotle taco, guys. If this is spicy, I will let you know. It does have sauce. I'll show you. Here's the sauce. I don't know if you can see that, but you saw it before in the picture. It does have sauce. I don't think I need to add any other sauce to it because it already has sauce. So let's try it out, guys. That's good flavor. Oh yeah. Not terribly spicy. Really good. Oh wow. This is my favorite so far. I was getting more spicy though. Guys, I'm really scared to try the Reaper Ranch taco. I think it's gonna be too spicy for me. I might just take one bite and say that's it. This is good though. The sauce has a lot of flavor too. So how would I describe the sauce? It's kind of like I feel like it's like a creamy, mild to medium sauce. What is kind of medium sauce? I would say medium sauce. It's creamy, it's tomatoey. It's a little spicy. I think with this taco would be great with adding, like, you know, little tomatoes on there. It'd be really great with this sauce. It's really good. Obviously, the more I eat it, the more spicy you're just getting. It's not really too spicy for me though. That's good. So guys, if you like mildly spicy food or medium spicy food, this will be the perfect taco to get. Yeah. That's really good though. I think I'm gonna give that taco 4.5 out of 5. I would like to have some tomatoes on that taco. It would have been great with the chipotle sauce. Now we're gonna try the Reaper Ranch taco, guys. I'm scared. So it has a lot of sauce. This taco, you know it's a Reaper Ranch because the sauce is so vibrant orange. I don't know if you can see that very well. I have a feeling I'm gonna take one bite and that's it. I mean, if this one's hotter than the second one I had, I probably won't tolerate much, but try this for you guys. Let's try it out. Okay. Not too spicy yet. That's weird. I can't taste much sauce. It's really interesting. Not much flavor. It's getting a little spicy now. It's more spicy. That's definitely more spicy. I don't know which other one is. The sauce is interesting. Like the second one, the chipotle, the sauce was really good. It had this really good tomato flavor, mild to medium spice. This one doesn't have much flavor, but it's like more like a hot sauce flavor. That's how I would compare that. I don't know. I'm still eating it, so I'm surprised I'm eating this much. The people who might like a lot of hot sauce, spicy foods might like this. Well, this one has more sauce than the other ones, so it's really interesting. I think I'll take 1 or 2 more bites and then that will be it for this taco. It's still good. I probably could finish this if I want to. If I have more water. Alright, last bite. Oh my god, hot. So hot. Yeah, that's it for that taco. That was spicy. Oh my god. Now I've got the pepper, guys. What am I doing? For that taco, I would give it 2 out of 5. For me, it was too spicy. And the sauce didn't have much flavor. It was more like a hot sauce flavor. But if you like more of a hot sauce flavor, try it out. So that's my review on the 3 tacos at Taco Bell, guys. The new tacos for $1 each. A great deal. I actually think it's really filling because you got the tortilla shell and you have the flour tortilla. It's really a filling, so $1, it's such a good deal. If you want a cheap meal, try it out. Let me know what your favorite taco is if you get it. I'm really curious. I think I like the second one better, the chipotle one. The sauce just had a lot of flavor to it, and it was just a medium type, mild to medium type spicy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Peace.